The battle to save the post office continues. Yes, we need the post office. We cannot use courier services. The embattled SA Post Office requires a further 4 billion rands in funding as adopted in its approved business rescue plan. Now the question is, how does South Africa get this 4 billion to save the post office? I replied on this article on Twitter X, and please follow me on Twitter X at Lulama Anderson. So I said, where can we get this money? Maybe the recent avocado exports to China might help. We need the post office. Courier services are very expensive, and most importantly, we need the post bank, because private banks like FNB, Nedbank have no interest in helping South African citizens. So at the end of the day, saving the post office is about serving the people. We cannot use courier services while we have a nearly free tax-funded post office. We need to use our post services. Even the post bank will save people a lot of money, because a bank funded by us, it's benefiting us, the people. So we need the post office, guys. It's nothing personal. I'm not an ANC person. I'm just following the breadcrumbs on how we can save the people money in South Africa overall.